Yangtze River area is the battlefield for the Chinese refrigeration industry. In the 1980s, when the first Chinese air conditioner and the first beverage dispenser were created by Huangshi Donper Group, Chinese people were excited about a new landmark in the Chinese refrigeration industry. Riding the science and technology globalization wave in the 21st century, with 36 years of experiences and development, Donper Group is moving towards a new developing area in a brilliant precision and growing rapidly. Donper Group specialized in researching, developing, producing, selling various kinds of refrigeration compressors and other refrigeration units. Primary of Donper Group, the factory was established in 1966. Up to now, the group consists of 5 companies: Huangshi Donper Electrical Appliance Company Limited, Huangshi Refrigeration Company Limited, Huangshi Casting Company Limited, Chengxin Light and Electricity Company Limited, and Haiguanshan Hotel. There are approximately 2,300 staffs and workers, including over 400 professional technicians, and the headquarters of 115,000 square meters. It was in 1994 that Donper Group, with a total sales RMB 2 billion, was reunited. Donper is the largest enterprise on models, series, power ranges in the domestic compressor industry. Donper is also the largest refrigeration equipment manufacturer base in China, with advanced equipment and perfect manufacturing. In July 1999, Donper issued 115 million shares, option B stock in Shanghai. Presently, Donper Group stands on the base of the manufacturing industry and had invested in a complete production system, unremitting technological development, and advanced selling strategy makes Donper a successful model for the domestic refrigeration industry. The advanced equipment is the key to manufacturing high-level quality products. Donper imported a complete set of advanced production equipment with technical softwares from Aspera, Italy. The keener parts quality will influence the whole product's quality. The Donper Group controls all these key manufacturing processes. All the key parts, crankshaft, connection rod, and crankcase, are completed by the world-level equipment. The Donper CFC Substitution Clean Project are the model project of the UN and the Chinese government. The motor is the heart of the compressor. In order to meet our claims requirement and in pursuit of the world-level quality, Donper Group invested RMB 80 million for the setup of the most advanced refrigeration motor production line, and this production line reflects the world-developed country's pink level in this industry. The machine, die casting, and punching production lines of the motor are imported respectively from Japan, USA, and Italy. The whole set of motor stator assembly line, with a production capacity of 1 million pieces per year, is provided by Germany. The auto-immunization level and throughout is first class in the domestic industry. The successful establishment of motor production line changed the situation of all non-CFC high-efficiency compressor motor depends on imports. This concludes that we can manufacture our own motors for our own compressors, and the advanced production line provide world-class guarantee for non-CFC compressor manufacturing. The group has 2 assembly lines with a capacity of 2.6 million pieces per year and can assemble more than 60 compressor models. The practicality and universality of the production lines can meet different requirements of different claims. All the assembly processes are in the hermetic non-dust constant temperature environment. All the parts are transmitted by conveyor belt and effectively prevent dust. Extractive assembly, auto welding, leakage check by water, piece by piece, all these strict processes guarantee the perfection of the final products. The COP of Donper non-CFC commercial refrigeration compressor has reached 1.70. It is the highest record in the domestic refrigeration industry. Donper refrigeration equipment, beverage dispenser, ice cream machine, etc. are manufactured by the imported air conditioner and heat exchanger production line from Japan. As the key parts of the refrigeration equipment, the condenser and the heat exchanger play important roles and also became the key point of quality control. The Donper condenser and heat exchanger are produced by the best quality equipment and can ensure every process under control. The quality can not only meet Donper refrigeration equipment requirements, but also can meet the strict standards of the domestic refrigeration companies, Haier, Xinfei, etc. And now Donper has become a business partner of them. In recent years, Donper Refrigeration Equipment Company Limited has R&D reverse resources. In 2000, Donper adopted the German technology and imported professional equipment and high-pressure leakage check to R&D solar energy water heater. Donper Casting Company Limited owns some advanced modern equipment, for example, a vertical box-free type of casting line manufactured by DISA, Denmark, and a high-speed sand mill with a water-controlled instrument made in France, spectral analysis instrument from Germany. The casting products are appreciated by all our clients and enjoying remarkable image. Cable China wire plug project is the zirconia China wire plug manufacture technology and equipment imported from Japan, and it is the symbol of the world's most advanced technology. The first phase of the project has the ability of 36 million pieces per year. The second phase of the project will form 120 million pieces at all kinds of the China wire plug ability. Adopt advanced technology, meet the market and client's need is the Donper's motivation on the R&D new products. Donper keep on reviewing its product system, science and technology expert advisor panel, and 400 professional technicians form the powerful R&D team, and the team has successfully R&D series of products covers refrigeration compressor, refrigeration equipment, home appliance, and night electronics, etc. Most of the products has the ISO 9001 quality approval and CE, VDE, and US certificates. The Donper products quality level has reached the PPM level, and the excellent quality is enjoying a remarkable reputation. The Donper compressor has formed a complete product series, mainly R600A and R104A refrigerants, including the LBP, MBP, and HBP, standard efficiency and high efficiency 5 series, more than 60 models. HP range is from 1/7 to 3 HP. Donper compressor has become the appointed supplier of the famous international home appliance manufacturers, for example, Haier, Samsung, Sharp, and some domestic home appliance companies, Kelong, Xinfei, Meilin, Changlin, etc. Since the beginning of the 1990s, 8 cereals, 30 kinds of refrigeration products, for example, slash dispenser, ice fry dispenser, cold and hot drinking dispenser, ice cream machine, and coffee dispenser were developed and produced on the basis of advanced technology imported from USA and Italy. Up to now, this corporation has become one of the biggest manufacturers of producing the special refrigeration products in China. Especially the recent 10 years, great changes have taken place in China and attracted the whole world's focus. Stable and positive government policy, the high-speed developing tendency, and excellent investment environment and improving constant legal guarantee system, all these now are focused by the whole world. Within the 500 world powerful enterprises, almost 400 have set up a joint venture in China already. The China market has become a strategic emphasis of the globalization projects of multinational companies. In 2002, China, instead of the US, became the country which adopted the largest overseas direct investment, and the total amount reached $45 billion. Stable and prosperous domestic environment also is a positive element for the Donper development. Huangshi City, the location of the Donper Group, is one of the 10 hot economic spots in China. It has developed a landway, waterway, railway, and aviation system. Beijing, Zhuhai, Shanghai, Chengdu, and Wuhan-Huangshi Highway can reach every direction of China and make a well connection with Beijing, Shanghai, Chongqing, and Wuhan. The factory only has 2.5 hours drive to the TNHH International Airport. The Huangshi port located at the south bank of the famous Yangtze River. Along the river, the ship can reach the Shanghai port. And also the group located on the cross point of the Beijing, Guangzhou, and Beijing, Zhoulong. At the World Manufacturing Center, China domestic market become very competitive, and the domestic market has melted into the global market, and the international competition has landed China. Facing the change of the market and the WTO's challenge, the Donper management level positively take part in the global competition and make great efforts to develop an international market. Donper Group began to do the initial work for entering the international market since 1995. The export of Donper beverage dispenser reached a historic record in 1998. Donper also has exported hundreds of thousands of compressors to Southeast Asia and the Middle East market. Up to now, Donper refrigeration products are sold well not only in the Chinese market but also international markets such as Southeast Asia, South Asia, Australia, Middle East areas, South America, etc. In the new century, China has entered the WTO, and China now participates in the domestic and the international competition. The Chinese economy developed rapidly, and the export of refrigeration equipment, such as refrigerators and freezers, increased continuously. The countryside home appliance market now is growing rapidly. The Donper people developed themselves and face the global competition with a new positive attitude. Donper also help to cooperate with the domestic and overseas partner to create a new future.